In this video, we will going to introduce how to put a label in ArchiCAD. So to do that, so first I will go for under document, you click on text tool, then you're going to get the default settings here. So once you get into the default settings, you just click on this text default settings. So the dialog box will going to appear. Then in this, we can change the text font. What is the name of the font? Either I can take Arial, or if I want to go for Times New Roman. Then I will come down to T, then click on Times New Roman, and I can change the height of the text, whether it is 3 or 2.5. I will type 2.5 mm, and then you have the Western, and these are the leading one. And if you want to have the left justified, you can click on the left justified. If you want the center, you can take center aligned, then it can be right justified, and also you can be justified. That means equal. If you have multiple lines, then you can go for the justification. And normally we go for the center justification or center align. Now we have taken the font as this is an integer value, so it will going to take either 2 or 3. Now I will take 2 mm. And then after that, if you want to change the text block formatting, if you have the block formatting, wherein you have the model size, the paper size, fixed angle, and if you want to have the rotation, you can give the rotation. With respect to the horizontal, we can give. And then normally we don't give all those things, so I will just minimize this, and then I'll go for properties. So we are going to accept all these values as the default, and then click on OK. Once you click on OK, now we have the text format. Now I will just take the window here. I will click on first point, then I will going to take the second point somewhere here. Now I will start typing the text. So this is the kitchen what I want to represent. I will put the caps lock on and type kitchen and say right click. Simply take it outside. If you want to change the height of the text, what I can do is you just click on this again. I will just double click on this. So you're going to, now you just click on this text, and now you make this text as 3 and enter. Now I can change the height of the text. If you want to change the color of the text, you can go to this color and change whatever you want. I want red. We just click on that red. So you will go to get, you can change that. So similarly, now I want to create one more here. So there are several ways in which you can do. So I will just go to the text again. Okay. Take this and I will create this as a bedroom. I will create this as bedroom. So here again, I want to give the font. I will just go to text, select this, and I will make it 3 now. So this is 3 and enter. Now, if you do that, now we can see it is going to the next line. I want to take it on the single side. Just click on this and try to drag this. And now you can see once you do that, you will going to get adjust to that particular box. Now I want to move this. You just click on this text. You click on this text and take the center point of this text and place it wherever you want. Okay. Now this is one more way. And then again, I want to copy the same text. I will just go to select this text, then go to right click, then go to move, drag a copy. You just click on drag a copy. Now you click on this, select this center point and take this here also. So both the text will have to have same size. So this is also a bedroom and this is also a bedroom. So we will going to take it directly. And then I will go select this text, go to right click, again click on move, come down to drag a copy, select this and copy this text here also. Okay. Now I want to edit this text. So to do that, I will just go to select this, click on this. Now again, I will select inside. So I will go for double click on this text. Okay. Now we have the bedroom. I want to make it as living. You block this and make it as living now, living room. Okay. and say close it. Now it is going for the next line. I will just go for click on the same text and click here and drag it. So it will be living room. Normally we will say it is living, but not living room. Okay. Again, I will just go back to this and delete this room here. Okay. And enter. Now I want to reduce this. Just click on this and bring it here. So since I have taken the center justification, so the box will be at the center only. So see, now I want to go back. Again, I want to change this now. I will just go to select and take this font as 3. And now I want to make this as blue color. You just click on this blue color. So here I want to write it as WC bar shower. So I will go for one more text. So I'll go for the text. Since I want to write the text, I will just click on this and take this. And here I will write the text as WC shower. Okay. And say close. Once you do that, now I want to rotate this text. So to do that, I will just go to select, click on this text. Then I will right click, then go to move. Here you can see rotate. You can just click on this rotate, then you're going to get a protractor like thing. Then you come down to this, take this as the base point for your rotation. Click on this point. Okay. Then take this horizontal position. This is the base point of rotation. Then you rotate by what angle? I want to rotate this by 90°. You just click on this. Now you just select this and keep it here. Okay. Now I want to take it. I want to expand this box. You just click at this point and you drag this. See how the editing is become so easy now. Again, you just click on this point, take the center and place it wherever you want. So this is how you will be able to write the labels, that is the text in ArchiCAD. Similarly, we have some more things which you can do it. Here, I will just go to text. Okay. Then I will write some text here. I will go for living. Okay. And say close. Now I want to mirror this. I will just go to select this text, right click and go to move. Drag is over, rotate is over. I want to mirror. I will select this point with reference to this point. I will say okay. So we have the mirror which has been done. Again, I will go back, Control Z, go to move, mirror, then drag a copy, rotate, mirror a copy. Mirror copy means it will not only copy is there and it will go to have a mirror copy. You select the same thing. It is the same thing what we do, but mirror copy will going to have the one which is already, the mirrored one will also be there and the old one will also be there. So that is the only difference. Similarly, when you want to go for a rotate copy, so you just go to move, go to rotate copy, select this point and with reference to this point, again in the horizontal direction, I want to rotate by a certain angle, like I want to rotate by an angle of 45° and enter. Now you can see the text can be rotated by an angle of 45°. Since I have taken rotate copy, so it will have the original text also and the one which has been copied to the next one will also be copied. So this is how you will be able to edit the text which is already written, and also I can put the text on our plan in by using the ArchiCAD. Thank you.